Well, when I first moved into the space, I had everything slip covered in white and it had a clean sensibility to it. But I felt like this Acquerello collection from Schumacher really gave this added layer of warmth and charm and old world sensibility. And what I love about it is that it all feels already faded in the best way, and it softens the sense of it. I take a great deal of pride in my detailing of when I do upholstery, and it's something that I feel my business and what I do is extremely couture decorating and interior design. And so for me, how every single piece of a pattern falls and how it lays out has to be something that's done with thought and intent. So here, I've taken this huge pattern and actually taken half of the repeat and inverted it so that I could get the sort of central medallion that I wanted running down the middle of this piece. I'm a huge fan of trimming and detailing, but here I made a very conscious decision to do blind seams on the cushions and blind seams around the back and sides of the sofa because I wanted the pattern to continue and flow through the various shapes of the sofa, but then finishing it neatly with this bullion fringe. And of course, at the frame, I've added a little tiny tape trim to sort of detail it out. And I always want pillows to be done with a sense of thought and purpose and how they're laid out. And I'm not a huge fan of every pillow having the same perfect centered repeat on it every time. I like them to sort of have a sense of being cut from a cloth and a fragment and sort of coming together.